Hi, I'm Jane Cousins with the Biomechanics Foot Lab. I've done two short videos that are up on the website. This first one introduces you to the terminology we use for the different parts of our orthotics. When you're done with that, you can look at the second one, which describes our product range in greater detail. I'm going to talk about the different components that make up orthotic devices. The basic backbone of the device is the shell material. The two most common materials that we work in are a carbon graphite composite and also polypropylene, which gives a semi-flexible device. The carbon graphite composite is a material that comes in different thicknesses, and starting from the thickest on down to the thinnest, we would use it for somebody with a heavier body weight, a more serious athlete, or somebody we're looking to get a lot more control in the device for, and as compared to, you can see, the thinner, lighter carbon fiber. We would also work in EVA. EVA is a very good material. It has a lot of flexibility. It's commonly prescribed by practitioners for very serious or professional athletes who are looking to have a very short downtime on their training. It's a very short break-in period. We work in different sort of polypropylene and lighter materials and Plexidur for children's devices, as well as this thinner polypropylene device which has a little bit more flexibility. We also have a full range of leather devices for different applications. The next component I'm going to talk about is the posting. The heel post goes onto the heel of the device on most devices, but sometimes there's an option to leave a device off, as a device fitted into a woman's low-style shoe might require the lack of a heel post. Our preference is always to put the forefoot posting in intrinsically, so it's put into the wax mold before we press the plastic and contained within the device. It's a much neater fit and more durable fit, but where required, we do extrinsic forefoot posting as well. We use different materials for the heel post covers. As a standard, we use a natural leather finish. On our sports orthoses, we use a harder plastic, which is a bit more hygienic, cleanable, and it's durable. And we can upgrade that another level to a very robust and grippy material, which we call cat's paw. Now I'm going to talk about the different finishing options we have. We have a vinyl cover, which we can take to the end of the device, which we call a shell-only device, or we can offer different types of padding. The padding can come in a 3/4 length, where it goes beyond the end of the device under the ball of the foot, or full length, where it's carried beyond the end of the device to the end of the toes. Now we can do a cushioning cover, which gives cushioning on the hard shell, or we can do an extension where the padding starts at the end of the shell and can continue to a 3/4 length or full length. We use two different types of materials. We use a nylon material, comes in 1 millimeter or 3 millimeter thicknesses, and there's a shell-only cushioning cover all along the device. Or we use vinyl covering a foam padding, and that can be done as a cushioning cover or an extension. And that's very handy when we need to put things in the device, like a met pad or a met bar. They can be sandwiched inside and then glued and finished, propulsive wedges, etc. We're a well-established lab. We custom make everything. We have a full complement of add-on and additional items, propulsive wedges, heel raises, first ray cutouts, heel skives, met bars, met pads, etc. You can find those in our brochure on our website. If there's anything you don't see, give us a shout. We're happy to work with you and sort out any individual requirements. We have a full range of leather orthotics as well, which are very much specialized to individual requirements and individual needs. And that just gives you a little sampling of some of the range of our leather devices. Please look at the next video, which is on our product range, which, now that you've got the terminology, you should be able to zip through and get a feel for the full product range that the Biomechanics Foot Lab has to offer. Thank you.